The switchgear sector and power distribution equipment sector is exploding. We have tons of work, tons of opportunity. These are great union jobs with union benefits, with lots of career growth.
We want to make sure that they know what mission critical work is and how exciting it is right now, particularly in this environment of AI and really thinking about power, and power in a new way than it used to be thought of.
Ryan Madeir had come out to me one day and said, our manufacturing sector is looking for employees. Is there anything that we can do? And we have an enormous pool of candidates that are trying to become apprentices here at the school. And it only made sense for us to share that list with our manufacturing partners.
It's been a big part of how we've grown as an organization. It's been a big part of having people stay with us over the course of years, really building long-term careers where safety's paramount, where opportunities to grow is paramount.
You're covered by a collective bargaining agreement, which means that your wages, benefits, and terms and conditions of employment are negotiated and set by the contract. So in a non-union environment, an employer can unilaterally change those things. The manufacturing partners would get a stable, motivated, and productive workforce. We have the IBEW Code of Excellence for Manufacturing that really sets the tone of what we expect for our members, and that's exactly what it is. It's a partnership.
We really focus on healthcare, on municipalities, but primarily industrial applications, people that have to have power. When you're in the middle of a major experiment, if you're working on a medical challenge or you have a hospital system, you can't go down. That's people's lives, that's people's livelihoods. That's what ThermFlow is all about. We power business as usual and keep peace of mind as it happens.
The first job fair we did with very little promotion and advertising, and in 3 hours we had 250 people come out. Over 25 got hired. Federal Signal, they had about 40 positions open. We actually did a targeted job fair for them back in July, and we were able to fill almost all of those positions. This allows another alternative entryway into the electrical industry. And this could be a career for them, or this could be a stepping stone.
One of the great things about being signatory with the IBEW is that you always have access to our apprenticeship schools. Their employees has access to the great training that we've been developing for over 100 years.
It's a huge market and it's only getting bigger in the Midwest. We want to make sure people know that this is an option for them for that next step.